Good morning, lovely people. Welcome to Over 40 Self Page. It's Friday, 30th of September. Hello, we made it. Last day of the month. Well. What you gonna do today? Hope you have a lovely day. I just wanted to come in and show you some of my bulk buys this week, September. I've been looking after my health, both mentally and physically, taking time for myself, as well as just taking time to be me and to really live every experience in the moment and to really think about things succinctly and to just be and enjoy life's finer food, drink, conversations, good company, you name it. So I hope you liked the video. I recently made a nut butter courtesy of the vegan Bossa YouTube channel. Kudos to her. Her recipes are amazing. You should go and check her out. I'm not affiliate or anything, but I do think if I come across any good YouTubers, I will always enlighten one to them, and it's always nice to put things forward that one has done, because it's never nice to claim things for yourself, if that makes sense, because that's deceitful. But aside from all of that, because I'm getting a little bit hungry and I'm just waiting to see whether I want breakfast in a little bit. But I hope you liked the video. Take time for yourself today. Take time for others. Treat yourself kindly. Treat others kindly. And together, we're one team working together, friends. Happy Saturday. And I'll be with you lovely people shortly. Bye for now.